Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious raspberry sherbet with an easy guide. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh raspberries, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Having everything ready and at room temperature makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This recipe is perfect for a refreshing treat on a warm day. Now let's create the vibrant raspberry base. In a saucepan, combine your fresh raspberries, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of water. Gently cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the sugar has completely dissolved. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once cooked, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to ensure a smooth, seedless puree. This step is key for that perfect sherbet texture. With your beautiful raspberry puree ready, it's time for the next crucial steps. First, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. This brightens the flavor beautifully. Then, chill the entire mixture thoroughly in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or even overnight. This ensures your sherbet freezes properly. Once perfectly chilled, pour the mixture into your ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions. Your sherbet is almost ready to enjoy. Continue churning for about 20 to 25 minutes or until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Next, transfer the freshly churned sherbet into an airtight container. Place it in the freezer for at least 2 more hours to firm up completely. Then, scoop and serve your delightful homemade raspberry sherbet. It's a wonderfully refreshing treat that everyone will love.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.